So here is our camper van. Let me take you through what all we made. So this is the bed, if you see. This whole concept I have designed thinking for two person. This is the bed. This is a working table, and this is the water tanker. We have a luggage box as well this side. And also we have enough space to keep things out here. Then what I have done for the music, I have fitted a 5.1 sound bar. The main unit has been fixed out here with the help of a battery. There we have the inverter, which is converting the DC to AC, and then I have placed a multi-connector. So underneath the multi-connector there is a solar controller unit, which I'll put on the top of the van, the solar panel. And this is again the sound bar. So for the navigation, just for the map and everything, like I can put a tab on this and also a phone. So these are the two speakers on each side. Okay. This is a fan that I have placed in. If you are sitting inside, you have plenty of air. This is quite nice one. It's very powerful. So if I switch it on, see, it makes a little bit of air noise, but it's very powerful, and it has 2-speed option. So here you can slow it down, and from here you can stop it, and then you have a switch to switch it off. Then over here you can put there is a light as well. Okay. Then what else? So for a small, for kid, I have placed this kind of box, and I have, for the back support, I have kept this. Very soon I'll even put a seat belt for this, and make it firm. In the front, nothing special I have done. It's just that I have put this multi cigarette point connector, and this one, I was having the wolf box dash cam with rear camera option as well. This one I have placed it over here. Then since this van doesn't come with bottle holder, so I placed a bottle holder out there. Okay. And also on this side I have placed a kind of keeping little small items and a bottle. I have also put 2 power windows for the front 2 windows. Yeah, that's it pretty much, and once I install the solar panel on the top, so it will be like we'll have a self-sustaining power. And I have also placed two there would be two water pumps. One is to pull the water from, if we are visiting any lake or nearby river, lake, or from the tank or anywhere, I can put that, switch it on, and draw the water inside this, fill this tank. And to use the water, again I'll switch the other pump, and whenever you just press the open the tap, it will start automatically and you can get water. And also I have another very cool thing out here. So right now I've just supported the ladder out here. So basically this is like, you can, it's a table where you can fix this small table in that. So let me show you that. So as I was saying, this is the board, like you can work on it. Let me move this fan a bit. So like this, so you can move it in any direction as you want. You can keep it like this flat in an angular position also. And then once you are done, you can keep it like this way. You can make it like your table. So this is very convenient, and you can place it in the bed anywhere like this. Yes. So as of now, this is still in progress, and I'll make some further inclusion in this. So we'll see, and we'll keep you posted. So these are some stickering that I've done. This is our channel, so please do share, subscribe our channel. We keep posting videos, and this has been built on Maruti Eeco, which I feel the best option to make a small camper van, which you can take anywhere, and you don't really need to make those RTO changes and all. So don't know yet how would be the response from the traffic police, because I've not taken out for any long drive yet. I'll keep posted on that as well. Let's see. Thank you.